What list do you go after? Vincent, I'm going to tell you foreclosures are the way to go. And if you do it the right way, you'll buy plenty of houses. Get out there right away, get to the courthouse, get them right when they're filed. Now, a key thing here is what state you're in. If you're in Florida, where foreclosure can take a year or more, being first is the most important. But I would say be first and be consistent. Now, if you're in a good state, Texas is a good example. Foreclosure happens in less than 30 days in Texas, so you want to be quick there. But approach people in foreclosure, legitimately approach them with the intent to help them if you can first. If you can't, then you want to go into investor mode and find out what kind of solution you can offer them, where you can buy a house and you can help them out. Now, that's always going to be your very best list, in my opinion. Always has been for me, except for COVID when there were no foreclosures. Foreclosures have always been the majority of our deals because we're not afraid to knock on the door and have a conversation. Don't try to text people in foreclosure. The only two things I ever did were knock on the door and mail, send them a postcard. The minute the foreclosure list comes out, get a postcard in the mail every week, go knock on the door of the deals that you really, really want. Don't be afraid to do that. So that's what I recommend.